How you can make money with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one, as you can see, over 300k of followers. It's an important number. And here we have um, um, powered by AI. So the content is gamer at heart and fitness. So here we have a lot of pictures, as you can see, a lot of likes, comments, and this is an AI influencers that mean it doesn't exist, and you can use it to get your money or to earn money. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, and you don't have to write the script. A lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI content. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. Um, so this is it. And it's a based or AI based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. You can click which one you want and then you can sign up. So you can enter first step is enter your email, your verification code. You will answer for a few questions and then you will start um, working on hygiene.com. So this is a few information you can read to um, more understand how the website works. And if we scroll down over here, you will find other information about AI avatar. So as you can see, this is AI character that you can choose to start your content or YouTube channel. So let's start generate an AI character. So if you sign up, it will lead you to this home page. As you can see here, we have a recent creation, and if we scroll down over here, you'll find Haitian learning guide. So if you don't understand how AI Studio works, you can just click over here and you will get your information. The same thing for video avatar and AI voice and video translation. So you can find a lot of information that you can help you to more understand how the website works. Then we have here templates, so you will find various topic. It depends on your content, and if we scroll down over here, we'll find avatars. So here we have video avatar. You can click over here and go to studio avatar. You'll find a lot of or different various AI character that you can choose to get started. So let's, for example, select that one. So, for example, um, that one, for example. So here we have a description of the AI character. So Caroline in gray suit, and as you can see, this three dot if you want to edit your avatar or get avatar ID, and here if you want to start creating your video. So you can click on landscape if you wanna start with video or YouTube. So it will lead us to this page. As you can see here, we have a lot of options that you can uh, choose or uh, that you can edit to start your YouTube channel. So here we have the EI character, so you can change the place. You can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation, so you can choose the effect of or in enter or effect on leave, and you can also start a script, so you can just delete this script and start yours or add yours. So this ChatGPT will help you to create one, so you can just send the topic what is about and the details, so it will help you to create your script. And here we have, if you want to translate all scripts and if you want to add another script here, if you want to add post section, and if you want to add recording, or if you want to just employ uh, audio. And here, if you want to change the voice, so you can find a lot of type of voices. So here we have natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, games voice. So if you want to change the language too, so here we have various languages. And here we have gender as a or as you see here we have EI character, female character, so I will choose female. And here we have the ages, if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle aged voice, older voice. And here we have function, if you want a pause supported or adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So it's depend on which voice you want. And then after selecting or after entering your script and selecting the voice, you can just edit the animation and the AI characters place, and then you will click on submit to download your video, and it will be ready to put it on or to publish it on your YouTube channel. But the question is how we can earn money using this EI character video. So you can, first of all, you can, for example, affiliate marketing, start as an affiliate using EI character through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. And by promoting product or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commission on sales generated through their referral links. Or you can create a video guide using an AI influencer, for example, that one, as you can see, here's the name, and can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. For example, choose a specific topic. So this could be anything from an introduction, for example, about an introduction to artificial intelligence, to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting. So you can write a script for your video guide, or you can just use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.